and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of unwanted hair or facial hair or body hair with the use of baking soda. Yes guys, today's own I'll be trying it on my face. I have had facial hair for some time now, but usually just one or two, but of recent I noticed that they're becoming much. I don't really know the reason why. Is it because I'm getting old? I don't really know. So I decided to try the baking soda for it, because I've tried baking soda on my arms before and I did see it helped a bit. So I decided to try it on my face and we'll be finding out if it works or not. Here is the facial hair I'm talking about. See them here. Okay guys, so let's get right into this video. So here is my pot with a bit of water on the stove, and here's my baking soda. I'm just going to see it, and I have to stir until you notice that it started getting dry. I added like almost a full tablespoon I used. So I'm going to stir and stir and stir. When you notice it's getting dry, you put it up. As you can see, it started drying up. I'm going to put it off now and let this cool down. See my mixture? So guys, here's my mixture after about 10 minutes when it has actually cooled off. And here's some cotton wool I'll be using to apply. So I'm going to take a bit of cotton wool. Scoop. So guys, we'll be applying the solution now. Here's my baking soda solution. Let's apply it now. Please do not leave it on your face for more than 5 minutes. So this is it. I will come back and show you what happens. Actually, this is the second day I'm using it, so I don't know if I'll see much results, because the first day I used it, just 1 or 2 came out. Yes, sincerely. So this is the second day. Let's see what happens. So guys, I am back after about 7 minutes. As you can see how dried it has become. So I'm just going to clean it with a cotton wool now, a wet cotton wool first. Let's see if it worked the magic. I am seeing a hair hanging out. After cleaning with this a bit, I will go and wash it with warm water and moisturize my face, and I will come and show you guys, see where the hairs are. So let's see if something went out. Like I told you, this is my day 2. Let's see if any hair came out with it. So guys, are you seeing 1 or 2 hair again came out? Like I told you the first day I used it, 1 or 2 hair came out too. Today, are you seeing it just like 2? What can I say? It actually worked, but not as I was expecting. And now my face is itching me. I need to go and wash it off with warm water. So guys, I am back from washing it with warm water. I won't lie that it worked 100%, because there is some tiny hairs here, but the ones here, they pulled out at least. See, you see, there are still some, but some actually went out. Are you seeing it? See the other part? See? At least some came out, not fully. Maybe if I continue for the next, it worked, but not fully. See, some actually came out. Whoa, I'm surprised. Wow. See? But there's still some tiny ones. So maybe if I continue for the next 6 to 7 days, 1 week time, it will actually work for me. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. As you can see, it did work a bit. I don't want to lie and exaggerate that it worked totally. Just a bit. I believe if I'm more consistent, it will work totally. But it did try. I feel itch here. So I need to moisturize. I have to moisturize that place, because it's a bit burny, with some oil. So I moisturize it. You see, it worked a bit, just some left. So guys, that is all for this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.